Hello everybody, how are you? I would like to speak with you briefly about facial harmonization. What is this process that everywhere in the world is talking about? I have seen that there's many mistakes about it, so I brought you a case and we can discuss this case while we can show you some of the procedures. But let us go slowly. What is facial harmonization? So, facial harmonization is the process of bringing a balance to your facial features, okay? So, everyone knows that when we age, we start to lose bone density, we start to lose collagen and elastin in the skin, which makes your skin saggy and flaccid. We also start to lose our fat compounds. All of these makes your skin look saggy and dull, right? Facial harmonization is several type of process, aesthetic processes that we can use depending on each patient that can try to bring the youthness a little bit back as it used to be before. Today I'm bringing to you a case, and this, of course, this lady knows, and she allowed us to talk about her case, which I'm so thankful to her. So her case, she had lost a lot of weight and she felt very aged after 2 pregnancies and weight loss and all of this chemical process that our body, the human body, goes through when you're pregnant, let us say. So in her case, we have to structure what to do exactly that would make her feeling better on her own skin. When we talk about facial harmonization, we are speaking about several procedures that can be done. Some people need more than one, some people just need one. That really much depends. But what type of procedures are normally used in a facial harmonization? We can go anywhere from anti-wrinkle injections, we can go for pre-diode threads, dermal fillers to fill in the gaps, and many other procedures. Okay, so in this case now I'm going to tell you what we have done, and you're going to see by yourself the results before and after. That was just an amazing result. Now, as you can see, this lady had lost a lot of fat compounds that was making her cheeks looking saggy, her jaws looking saggy, and aging her. And so in her case, what we did is we filled in the cheeks and the jowls with dermal fillers. So that was like a very nice process that we did slowly with cannula, which makes it safer for the client, for the patient. And we, in her case, we used around 5 syringes of dermal fillers, okay? So we start by filling her cheeks, a little bit of her teeth troughs, and a little bit of her jaw and chin. After that, we then wait for a little while and we put the PDO threads. So the PDO threads was very, very good in her case because we could correct some wrinkles that normally cannot be corrected by anti-wrinkle injections. We could bring a little bit more firmness and lifting to her mid face and the lower face. And after that, we went to the anti-wrinkle injections. In this case, other than the traditional anti-wrinkle injections, we also did what we call skin tox, which is a procedure that uses the same anti-wrinkle ingredients, but it is diluted with skin boosters and biocollagen nutrition. Okay, so you inject all of that inside of the skin in several places and at different techniques, using different techniques to make the skin react and go back to what is youth, okay? What is used to be, sorry. As you can see through yourselves, we have achieved a very nice result on this lady, and she was delighted about her looking after all these procedures. Okay, so facial harmonization is not just one type of procedure done, or you just can't when we are talking about facial harmonization, you have to come to a consultation, you have to submit yourself to see if procedures would be the safest for you and that would bring better results. Some people may need threads, some people may not. Some people may need anti-wrinkle injection the traditional way injected, while others not. So that really depends. But please see in the following video her own review about her case and how happy she is. Thank you very much.
I wouldn't usually make a video about my appearance and stuff like that, but everybody goes on about, you know, trying to lose weight. I'm the opposite. I actually have an overactive thyroid and I lose an awful lot of weight, and it's so hard for me to put it back on and even maintain staying a size 8. After each child I lose an extreme amount of weight, especially off my face, and I can look extremely sick. It's just a struggle for me to gain weight as it is for others to lose it. I wanted to make this video to thank Alex and the work that he has done on my face. So the work that Alex has actually done on my face would be PDO threads, which would lift this back so that I'm not getting this suction in here. And he has also put fillers in the side of my jaw, my cheeks. I've gotten the 3 areas done with Botox, and also mesotherapy. You know, the work that Alex does is amazing because it's not just a job to him. He loves what he does and he is an absolute perfectionist. And when you tell him, you know, how you're feeling, he takes it into consideration and does whatever he can to fix that problem. And I have to say, of all the work that I've ever gotten done, you're just simply the best, and I can't thank you enough. You know, it's boosted my confidence, especially after having a baby.
I'm sure it's not only us and here, I'm sure all of you can see how beautiful and natural results we have achieved on her case. And if you wish to have your case analyzed and see what can be done for you, bear in mind we can never stop aging, but you can age gracefully. And to do that, all you have to do is keep in mind your good diet, your health checked, and of course your aesthetic procedures done. Okay, if you wish to come to us, please book your consultation first. Do not book for treatment as you won't be seen. Okay, you need first a proper consultation. That is our rule in this clinic. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed.